installation of the OverEZ wire chicken coop panels. Basically, you'll want to do the front panel first. Go right under the framing. Go flush on either end. Just go ahead and drive your screws in. So this is the rear panel, and as you notice, it has some extra wire that will butt into your run, and this could vary on the size of your coop. Same way, you'll flush it up on the end. This will be your end panel, and that'll flush up with the front and the back of the panels that are previously installed. So this is the final panel, and this will vary depending on the size of your coop. The small OverEZ chicken coop does not have a panel. The medium has one panel, which is installed on the front, and the large will also have a panel in the back. The large will have a panel front and back. So after your run is attached to the coop, you'll see that this closes the gap that the chickens cannot escape here, but they can still go under the coop. It's optional for you to take some zip ties or make some kind of connection between this wire panel and the run. So if you do the option of having the wire panels around the bottom of your OverEZ chicken coop, you'll need to remove this section of the run so the chickens can actually get in under the coop. There'll be 4 bolts. Just disassemble the 4 bolts and completely remove this panel.